In this sailing video, we're going to go out with only the head sail and see if we can sail around with it and make any headway. We're also going to see if it's possible to tack with the head sail so that we don't lose much, upwind ability. Let's see what happens. Okay, here's the secret to tacking with the foresail. Look for a gust of wind. As soon as you see it approaching, bear off. You want to build up as much speed as you can and then turn the tiller all the way to the other side as quickly as you can. The thing should shoot through the eye of the wind and flop over to the other side, and you can adjust your sail and off you go. You just tacked with the foresail. I was surprised at the speed that we could reach with just the solely using the foresail. At times we reached speeds of about 5.5 miles an hour, which I thought were pretty good considering the wind was only blowing about 10 to 15 miles per hour. Turned out to be a really awesome day, and we had a really good time. And I found out that yes, you can tack with only the foresail and it's no problem. However, its upwind ability is severely limited, at least with our sailing experience. We could get only a few degrees upwind, although the tide was running out on us. I'm sure that it was really ripping, so it kind of hampered our ability to get real far upwind. We did manage to get about a mile upwind, and total in about 2 hours I think we sailed about 10 miles. We had a great day.